OMEX stock analysis and price predictions for next week. This is super interesting for me. I'm gonna cover all this in this brief short 1-minute video, and as the only guy in the space with an actual track record of 44,000 videos and 5 years of experience, I've been documenting what's working for me every single day and showing you, data shows, and it's all documented on my YouTube channel. OMEX, Odyssey Marine exploration. It's been just longs on top of longs. My most recent idea was very great timing. Let me show you proof. Right, I'm talking video made 11th of July, 3 weeks ago. Yeah, I just hoped I saw a little pull down and a double break so I can take it further up. Guess what happened? Exactly that. Yep. And since we're now here, it's in this correction phase. I just hope I see a very similar thing. So first pump has happened, but second one must kind of do this, and then I'm ready, fine to buy. But like randomly buying, it's not going to be just happening. So all I'm doing in the meantime is I'm just waiting for rules to be met. And if you want to stay tuned and get my money making emails and insights, click the first link in the description. See you in the next one.